Mubango wa thirikari wa gutigira mathukuru mothe bũrũri-inĩ nĩ mahĩmbĩria mathomo ma nenda cia kiiriu nĩ ũkoretwo ũkĩgacĩra, no na kũrĩ ũguo kũrĩ na mĩhĩnga ĩracokia tabarĩra ĩno na thutha.
It's about people really needing to embrace lifelong learning. The traditional system would be you'd get an education and then you get a job and then that's what you do. And with everything changing so rapidly now, everybody needs to be really focused on upskilling themselves. So whether that's somebody coming in for an entry-level opportunity and making sure that they're extremely digitally literate and being able to focus on those technological skills.
Kũringana na Anyiti ũrĩa nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri wa thukuru wa Mũringa, kũhĩmbĩrio kwa nenda cia kĩrĩu mũtaratara-inĩ wa mathomo nĩ ũteithĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kwĩyonera mawĩra.
The emphasis now about bringing jobs to Kenya. So people will still stay in Kenya, and these are primarily IT-enabled or tech service jobs. People will stay here in Kenya but work for international employers. And so we're seeing that some of our graduates are moving into those types of opportunities.
Na rĩrĩ nenda cia kĩrĩu ithiĩte na mbere kũgacĩrithio, kũrĩ na bata mũnene bũrũri wa Kenya gũtwarana na ũrĩa maũndũ marathiĩ magĩcenjagia kĩharo-inĩ kĩa nenda cia kĩrĩu.
Jobs will look different, but there's still going to be a lot of jobs out there specifically in technology. And if you look at all of the more nuanced data, it shows that jobs in technology will actually be increasing and continuing to grow. They'll just be more efficient with regards to AI. And AI is really about bringing more efficiency.
Na nĩguo gũthundũra mĩeke mĩingĩ ya mawĩra kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ, anyiti itemi nĩ morĩtio kwĩgithia gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri wa Kenya ndũnatigĩrwo thutha hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mabũrũri marĩa mangĩ maragacĩra nenda-inĩ cia kĩrĩu.
At Marenga School we focus a lot on our courses being very aligned to what the market needs. So we have a lot of very close relationships with employers where we're keeping up to date on what are the jobs that they need now, what are the jobs that they'll need in the future. And so we make sure that that's the jobs and the skills that we're training. So from a technical perspective, obviously software development is still one of the largest areas that people are moving into, and that's going to continue. But we're also seeing a lot of growth in areas like data science and employers telling us that they have a need for really strong data analytics.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Inina wa Kiiriu.